Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news so that you stay up to date in the world of Web3. Today, guys, we're going to go through the newsletter. We're going to do some live trading. We're going to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at all-time high. I hope you're feeling good. But the rest of the market is a bit of a mixed bag, as we can see here from the crypto bubbles that I've got up on the screen right now. We can see it's a bit of a mixed bag. Not all assets are performing as we'd like them to right now, and it's a little bit dicey out there to see which way we can go. As we can see, the title 120k Bitcoin, that is the target, but like we discussed with Block Pro on the live stream yesterday, perhaps 107, 109, and then we fall back down from there. But I'd like to know what you guys think. As always, make sure to slap a like on this video and subscribe, turn channel notifications on, all that goodness. Let's go through the chat. Let's see who we've got here today. We've got Joshua. Good to see you, man. We've got Ganakis, as always. What a legend. GM Bro, Soul Season recovering well, and Hype for Hayes. Let's go. We've got Jalapeno here as well. Good to see you. Florin, lovely to see you. Alex as well. Good to see the Chads are in the chat. But guys, let's get straight into it. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. I'll head over to the newsletter. First off, actually, let me pull it up on TradingView. Let's just have a look where we are right now. Let's go on to the 1 minute chart so it gets all interesting as well. But yeah, look, absolutely lovely up here. Let me just scroll out a little bit. Just above 108 there. Absolutely beautiful. Actually, on the 1 minute, Stonksy's still going short, but 1 minute's quite hard to call. If we look at the, let's go a little bit longer time frame. Let's go to the 15 minute. No indication there on Stonksy. 1 hour still in a long position. This caught it absolutely lovely from below 100k all the way to where we are, 107. If you're not using Stonksy, guys, go check out the link in the description, Stonksy.io, or join CSC Plus. That's the best way to get Stonksy. If you become a premium member, you get free access to Stonksy. We've got Crypto Bro in the chat as well. Crypto Bro is a premium CSC member, so if you want to come chill with the chats in the Discord, come join, guys. We've got Sammy T Crypto in the chat as well. Good to see you. And we've got Idris as well. Afternoon. But let's have a look. Let's go back to the newsletter and go through the Bitcoin analysis on there. We'll also be going through Hyperliquid, Ethereum, and Tron as well in this newsletter, guys. If you didn't receive the newsletter, go sign up. You'll find the link in the description again. Also, if you're not trading on BLOFIN, guys, I don't know what you're doing, because you'll get the cheapest fees. We've actually wrangled a deal where you get VIP tier level 1 when you sign up through the CSC link in the description. It's no KYC, so you can trade from wherever you are in the world. You don't even need VPNs. 25k withdrawal limits a day. If you sign up as well, that you'll be entered into a giveaway. There's, one of our members actually got sent $20 from BLOFIN today, but you can also win it's not just $20. You can win a Rolex, and there's some other gifts and prizes there as well, guys. But I've been using BLOFIN. As you can see, you can go back 5 months on this stream. You'll see I've been using BLOFIN all that time. Met up with the team in Singapore. Really impressed with what they're doing. Even other influencers there's plenty of other influencers working with them. Crypto Banter, to name one as well. So go check it out, guys. Let's go down to Bitcoin. Bitcoin positions for expansion. So Bitcoin recorded another new all-time high on Monday as the levels above seemingly opened up as targets. So we can see here, steady grind higher, a surge towards 110k, 120k, 130k could be next. But Bitcoin recorded a new all-time high of 107,803 on Monday. We've just broken that now. This occurred after the price found acceptance over $100,000, causing the price to grind higher and higher. From here, there is nothing but blue skies above for Bitcoin, which could see it head to 110 to 130,000 next if euphoria begins to kick in. As seen on the chart, Stonksy caught the move towards new highs perfectly on the 1 hour chart. Let's have a look at Hyperliquid as well. If you were lucky enough to get the Hyperliquid airdrop, which went back, I think it was either at the start of the month or very late November, the Hyperliquid airdrop, if you're using the platform, I believe that's the largest airdrop to date in the world of crypto. If we go onto the Hyperliquid chart, let me just see where the price of it is. Okay, so we've got a market cap of 7.52 billion, ranked 201 currently. Absolutely blown it out of the park. This fully diluted to 27 billion. So there will be a lot of tokens coming up being released into the foundation. So that's something to watch as well, guys. Let's go back. Oh, brilliant. So we've got John B saying Dave sent us. That's good to know. Stonksy, he's been going live for like 3 hours. He's absolutely killing it. And if you're not watching Stonksy, if you're not trading with Stonksy, go over to Stonksy, watch a few of the clips. There's also, it's not just live streams. They do videos on how to use Stonksy as well, and you can sign up there. We've got George as well, all saying Dave sent us. Good. Share my love to Dave. He's a top lad. He is. We'll have to get him back on the Crypto Saving Expert show again very soon. And I'll go on the Stonksy show, because I've got a new strategy with Stonksy that I've been waiting to tell people. I've actually been using it with low liquidity altcoins, and I'll tell you what, it's actually a lot more accurate than you would believe. A lot of people are using Stonksy for Bitcoin, gold, etc. But I found a little knack, and I will be showing that to Dave, and I will go on stream on the Stonksy show as well. We've got Idris saying, is Stonksy based on health? Hiking Assy, I don't know what that is. Idris, sorry, man. Stonksy is an indicator. Let me show you. Let me go over to TradingView. So Stonksy is our in-house indicator. As you can see here, we developed this over 2 years. Was an absolute ball ache, if I'm being honest with you, and I was worried that it was never going to come out as a product. But it's absolutely smashing it now. Members, people are getting loaded off this. With Stonksy, if you give it the time, if you're trading it, or even if you don't give it the time, even if you come in on the weekend, and you want to trade, then it can give really good positions. And as Jordan said, if you time it with the market open, the US market open, it literally is bang on. So this is Stonksy down here. As you can see, it's the indicator. So basically, green indicates a long position. And when it goes back to clear, that's a no position. And then if we scroll out, we'll also see when it goes short as well. So you can see here, short down to here. I can go through these with the ruler quickly. Look, take the position here. Get out of the position here. 6%. You use leverage on that, you're laughing. Idris, go check it out, and also go subscribe to Stonksy as well. We've also got Richard saying Dave sent him. Top man, Dave is a legend. Dave, if you're watching, big respect, man. But where were we? We were over onto the newsletter. Let's go through. We were talking about Hyperliquid. So yeah, one of the largest airdrops. Good thing about Hyperliquid is it's designed. It's an ultra performing, ultra fast layer one with low slippage. That's one of the things you've got to one of the utilities of Hyperliquid. If we go over to their website, I'll show you quickly as well. Let's just pull this up here. So the blockchain to house all finance. Crypto is fragmented today, but it doesn't need to be for the first time. Build projects, create value, and exchange assets on the same hyper-performance chain. The flagship application, the premier decentralized exchange. DEX is a great, guys. And if with Hyperliquid, there's some kind of sorcery, some mastery that they use in the order book to give you ultra low slippage. So go check it out. The only thing is you wish that you were trading on this before November, so you would have got the largest airdrop. I saw some of the people, some of the airdrop amounts that people were getting from using Hyperliquid was insane. So hats off to you if you got in on the Hyperliquid airdrop. I know Dave is a Hyperliquid fan. He's here in the chat now with Stonksy. Good to see you, man. I know he's a Hyperliquid fan as well. I'd like to see if he's been trading that with Stonksy. Get the likes going yet, guys. Yeah, make sure to slap a like or I will slap your nan. And subscribe, please. Let's go a little bit further down here on the Hyperliquid. Block time 0.2 seconds, users 300. The airdrop went out to 90,000 users as well. So huge airdrop. If we go over to the price, let's go over to the price of Hyperliquid. Let's go on to I don't need to go into the 1 year. I can go into the 1 month. But you can see here, it launched, roughly at a $2 billion market cap, now up at just shy of 8 billion. So will this continue to go on? The chart looks good, if I'm being honest. Will I be buying? No. Is it one to watch? For sure, guys. Definitely one to watch. Okay, let's go back to the newsletter and let's talk about Ethereum, guys. Let me know in the chat, what are you trading right now? I know a lot of people that were trading Bitcoin, with the new price discovery, they've now gone to Ethereum, finding it easier to trade, with previous price levels there. So Ethereum has turned green on the weekly chart for the first time since mid-2020. This is significant as the last time this occurred, ETH ran significantly over the following year. With Stonksy now green on the weekly, a move towards 6,000 and above could begin. Dave, you wrote this. You're uber bullish, 6,000. I do believe it, but we've got to get over that 5K first, haven't we? Let's go onto the chart with Ethereum. Let's go over to ETH. Let's have a look where we are right now. Just shy of, I'm not sharing my screen. Just shy of 4,000 here. Looking to push above on the 1 hour, no indication. Let's go on the 15-minute onto Stonksy, see if any indication. Actually went short, and then I believe it's deciding against it right now. Perhaps we come down, test these levels again at 3,900. For me, I think that's very plausible. Definitely at least 3,950. Right now, I think we come down, touch that, and then hopefully bounce back up to 4,000 and see if we break through it this time. We've got John B saying he's trading Bitcoin, ETH, and Link. Well done. Link's been absolutely smashing it recently. I actually checked a wallet of mine that had some Link in, and I was very pleasantly surprised. Let me know, though, have you been longing Link or have you been shorting Link? Let's go back to the newsletter. Share this tab here. And also a new update on Stonksy. So you now can have automated support and resistance lines. You don't even have to look at the chart. It's all automated for you guys. So whether you're a newcomer or someone perhaps, lacking time to trade, Stonksy can definitely help out. Let's go down here. Fear and greed. We've got extreme greed right now, 87. Yesterday, 83. So we're up from there, obviously. Last week, 78. Last month, 90, though, on this day. So I think we're going to stay firmly in the green into the new year. Perhaps we see some downside coming to Thursday, Friday is what I'm expecting, and then perhaps we dip below into kind of neutral, maybe even fear. It's saying here, yeah, this is no surprise. Given Bitcoin refuses to suffer a sizable dip and continues to reach new highs, the index will likely continue in this manner as long as the market remains on the upward trajectory. Some important dates coming up. We've got the US retail sales. That's probably already gone live now. We've got the Fed interest rate tomorrow and core personal consumption expenditures also on Friday. Some of the gainers here, and there's one I want to talk about, guys. Virtual protocol. You may think it came out of nowhere. Virtual protocol, it's an AI and metaverse protocol. Basically the whole AI agents narrative that we've seen running as well. So let me pull over. Let me see if I can find this on a tab, and we'll go through virtual protocol as well. Okay, let's pull it on coin market cap quickly. So rank 56 right now, market cap 2.66 billion. Fully diluted is exactly the same. So the total supply and max supply is currently 1 billion. And as you can see here, launched back in the springtime of this year. No movement at all. Let's go on to market cap to see what it was at. Okay, perhaps didn't launch back then. It came onto the scene. Let me find that. Okay, there we go. So it came onto the scene. This is June time now, and then absolutely shot up. So well done if you got into October. That would have been an amazing buy there. Absolutely flew out of nowhere. If we go over to the website, it's super basic, and for me, I'm not sure how long this is going to last. But look at this, very, very basic, but we've seen basic platforms like Pump Fund do well, but this is slightly different. Virtual, it's trying to integrate with like TikTok and retail basically. If we go over to a Medium article here, kind of explaining the vision behind Virtual's protocol, it's creating a system that turns AI agents into co-owned asset in gaming and entertainment, allowing users to earn revenue from them. These agents work across platforms like Roblox and TikTok, performing tasks autonomously, such as managing on-chain wallets and interacting with digital environments. Tokenizing these agents allow users to invest and profit from their growth. I see the vision here. You could own a load of these AI agents. They go out to work for you and they build you an income, and basically become the slaves of the tech world. Let me know what you think about this. And is there a moral compass here? So it says the platform addresses three main issues: simplifying AI integration into apps, enabling contributors to earn through immutable contribution vaults, allowing non-experts to own AI agents via tokenization. Virtual's protocol focuses on gaming and entertainment, using AI to generate personalized content and promoting decentralized co-ownership that aligns individual incentives with the ecosystem's goals. But the goal, to create a global economy where AI agents act as shared assets, boosting revenue and engagement across platforms while promoting decentralized governments. In gaming, this has the potential to be transformative. Think of AI agents in games like GTA 5, not just passive NPCs, but fully autonomous characters that persist across platforms. These AI-driven characters could remember previous interactions, adapt to your playstyle, and move seamlessly between environments like GTA Online or other games. Imagine an AI-controlled ally evolving with you, offering a personalized experience across various platforms. This is online slaves. This is digital slaves, but it's quite cool. Virtual Protocols accomplishes this through the game, which is generative, autonomous, multimodal entities framework combining AI with blockchain technology. This allows developers to integrate AI agents with APIs and SDKs, enabling the agents to learn from interactions. Blockchain ensures secure co-ownership and rewards, turning these agents into valuable digital assets. This is good when the blockchain comes in, because it means that your agent can't go off and start making money itself and keeping it somehow. That's what we got to watch. We got George asking, did I claim any Pengu? Yes, we'll have a look at Pengu actually right now, and there is a way to claim even if you don't have pudgy penguins. I've seen it through Phantom Airdrop, which we'll mention slightly later in the stream, guys. We've got Sammy T Crypto is shouting out Hayes. Big things coming. Keep an eye on this weekend. There's also a Spaces with Hayes coming on Thursday, which I will be co-hosting, guys. We got George saying, Dave is a top guy, realized he was live and ended right away, sending us all to us. What a bloke. Dave is an absolute bloke. I've been working with Dave ever since I've been at Crypto Saving Expert. We joined at the same time. So yeah, Dave is an absolute legend, and he's got some good alpha, guys. Don't sleep on Dave. He's got some really good alpha, and he's a really good trader. And he's always, in the Stonksy Discord, in the CSE Discord. So go catch him there. If you're wanting to join the CSE Discord, you can see the little banner below. All-time high 80 will get you 80% off. I don't know how long this is going to last for. I don't think it's going to last up until Christmas. So make sure to join. That's on the community monthly plan, guys. So go join there, and you'll be able to join our Discord with the likes of myself, that Martini guy, Block Pro Dave, and some other absolute legends and whales, guys. David here is shouting out Soul season. It is Solana season. Solana's going to break out. Should we do a live, while we're talking about Solana, shall we do a live trade, on Sol right now? It looks like we're dipping right now. Let's go over to Stonksy quickly and see if there's any indications on Solana. Let me just punch this in, and then I'll share the screen, guys. Let me know. Should I go short? Should I go long? I went short on Solana yesterday, and we lost $150, so it wasn't very good. 15 minutes, it actually is in a long position. Let me just share this. But it looked like it spiked, and it's coming back down now. If I go onto a smaller time frame, let's go onto the 3 minute. 3 minute I like trading on. 3 minute is actually going short still, but kind of called it from the top here. Let me know, long or short, guys. Let's go into the 1 minute. See what the 1 minute's saying. 1 minute still in a short position. That's locking a short position. I hate going short in the market like this, but we'll do it. I do it for you guys. We do it for the fun. Let's go 25%, 20x, sell short. Let's whack that in, guys, and we keep an eye on that at the end of today's stream. Let's go back to the top gainers. We talked about Virtual Protocol, BitGet token. A lot of you use BitGet. That's been absolutely smashing it. Aave doing well as well. Sui, Monero is coming back. Monero had a bit of a rough time for quite a long time. Monero is, the top privacy coin. All the top gangsters and hustlers around the world own Monero. So if you're a gangster, buy some Monero, guys. Chainlink, like John mentioned, Chainlink's been doing really well. Ethereum name service. This is the one I wanted to mention, guys. If you're unaware of Ethereum name service, let me just pull it up here. So ENS, Ethereum name service, you may have seen people with, with a wallet address, which, for example, could be spud.eth. This is how you connect it to your wallet. So let's put in Web3 Spud. Let's see if that's available. I imagine it is. Here we go. Okay, so it gives you a few options. So Web3 Spud.eth, and what how this is set up is you can then go onto your wallet to send everyone send me some funds. You can go on the wallet to send transactions, and rather than putting a wallet address, you would just put Web3 Spud.eth, and that is how it would work. You can see here estimated total was $78. So if it's over 5 letters, it's less expensive, and I believe 3 digits. We can go have a look at a 3-digit one. 3-digit one would cost you more as well. Extending for multiple years will save money on network costs by avoiding yearly transactions, etc., etc. But the reason for me why ENS is becoming more popular, it's a bit like an NFT. It's a bit like a flex right now. People are making gains. They're making money on altcoins, trading, etc. And they're looking for ways to jazz up and get a little bit of clout in the crypto world. So if let's look at TMG. TMG.eth is available. But look at the price difference. So it's gone from $60 to like $700. So as always, basically this is the personal number plates of the crypto world. You see people in Dubai, in London, they have these extravagant plates. Normally, the shorter the digits, the more expensive. These are the personalized number plates of the crypto world. So that's why ENS is pumping right now. And I think it will continue to do well. We can see if we go on to ENS, let me pull this up on the chart. Let's just pull this up. Ethereum name service. Here we go. So $1.5 billion market cap. ENS, like the actual token utility, is a bit plain in my mind, because a lot of it is like governance token, etc. But who really cares about governance? Is what I want to know. If we look on all. Let's go on the year actually, because it's been around for a long time. So yeah, yearly's done nice. Started its pump at the end of November there, as you can see. But yeah, let me know if you have your ENS. If you got your ENS, put it in the chat. See if people send money to it. Foley is saying wait till it turns green and go long. Yeah, I agree actually. Probably should. I'm very impatient when we're doing my live stream trades. When I trade in my day-to-day, I'm a lot more patient. We've got J Dean in the chat saying H-bar is ready to break out. Let's have a look at H-bar, guys. Let's have a look at H-bar. Let's go over to Trading View to have a look at H-bar. Let's pull this up. Let me know your predictions as well. When's the downside gonna be? H-bar. $1 soon. You had me confused here. Let's have a look at H-bar. Here we go. H-bar on Stonksy on the 1 minute is in a short position. Let's look at the 1 hour. Let's do it some justice. Still in a short position here. To get to $1, you're looking at a 3.5x from here. Will it happen? Let's go a little bit further out. Let's look at the daily chart. See where some all-time highs were. Okay, so difficult to say. It has had like amazing growth. I won't shit on you there. It has had amazing growth since, what's the date on that? Mid-November. But gonna take a little bit of magic to bust it through all-time highs again up to $1. But definitely could happen, JD. We've got Fever for the Flavor, another CSE Plus OG, guys. Let me just show you what's going down in CSE Plus as well. In the Discord to tempt you guys to join. So as you can see here, we've got loads of different channels. General trading ideas. This is always interesting. Basically a signals channel. So people are putting, when they're going long, when they're going short in the trading ideas, flex trades, where you can see all the winners here as well. Let this load. So got some amazing gains, guys. Some amazing traders, as you can see by the flexing trade section. We got a 2K winner there from Justin. Lovely to see it. Christian always on fire here as well. Some more wins. Block Pro obviously with the wins there, guys. So come join. We've also got the meme coin trading channel. Lots going on. Altcoin channel. People, putting the latest alpha there. Lots of discussion. TMG section, Block Pro section here, and also chat about Stonksy. So come join. All-time high 80 is the place to be joining. We've got Fever for the Flavor saying CSE is awesome. Good, man. And meme coins are fun. Do you know what? I want to talk about meme coins, because if we go back to this page here and we look at the losers from the last week, we can see a lot of meme coins. We can see Pepe with hat, dog with hat, sorry, Bonk. A lot of meme coins. I've seen Bonk is back up today, actually. If we look on here, we can see Bonk actually gone back down slightly now, 2.1%, obviously. But a lot of high caps are suffering. The low cap market, super oversaturated now. There's not much success. A lot of people are coming to me with projects, and I go, unless it's a docs dev, I'm not getting involved with these newly launched meme coins. It just doesn't seem the meta right now, especially with altcoins coming through with utility. A lot of people are putting focus to altcoins, and rightly so, myself included. I think I'm still interested in a lot of the high cap memes, but the low cap memes I'm giving a miss right now unless it's a solid team with a docs dev, and then I will back it. Let's have a look at Pengu. We were going to mention Pengu. Let me just pull Pengu up. Let me pull that up. So Pengu, if you're not familiar with Pengu, Pengu is the token behind Pudgy Penguins. Pudgy Penguins, one of the most, one of the highest market cap, if not the highest market cap NFTs going right now. And as we can see here, we've got a fully diluted market cap of 3.2 billion with Pengu. But there was an airdrop for Pengu. Let me just see if I can find this on Twitter. Because even if you don't own a Pudgy Penguin, there is still a way to get a Pengu airdrop. So let me just find this. I'll have to find the link. Okay, should be. Okay, let me share this with you. So Phantom Wallet, basically, if you've ever done a swap using Phantom Wallet, the in-house swap feature, you will be able to claim Pengu. So it said if you swapped in Phantom prior to 2024, so make sure you check your old wallets. I've got over 100 Phantom wallets, but most of them are perhaps early this year. So I'll have to be checking those. But let me know. Definitely worth a check, guys, and then you can claim your Pengu. Let's go back to the chart here. Let's go. This is on the 1 hour. Let's go on the 1 minute. Let's have a look at the price action here. Let's zoom out. Okay, price action's not been too bad. I've got this on market cap rather than price right now. As you can see, went all the way above 4 billion, come right back down. A lot of people are asking me, are you buying this on launch? No, I do not. We are not exit liquidity. We do not buy on launch. I haven't seen a successful token launch, where prices continued staying up really. Well, okay, I say that Hyperliquid actually did that, but you don't see many successful launches. That was back in 2021. Most of the time we see launches, they go up and then they come down. The best move is to wait a few days, perhaps even a week, and then you wait for that floor, wait for that support, and then that's when you buy, guys. Unless you've got a bot where you can quickly buy as quick as possible on launch, but everyone else is trying to do that, and they've probably got better software, they've probably got better bots than you doing it just by upping the slippage, upping the gas, etc. So for me, with launches, let it play out, keep an eye on it, see where it finds support, then buy. DCA perhaps, if you think it's a good level. We've got Fever for the Flavor. He's saying, yeah, need good devs, looking to preserve capital right now. Also saying, I never use native swaps, always a DEX. I'm lazy sometimes, Fever for the Flavor. And I tell you what, sometimes the native swaps, they're not actually too bad. They actually can give, sometimes they aggregate and they give you actually a decent rate. Sometimes they give you a better rate than the DEX itself because they aggregate against other DEXs. So I agree with what you're saying, but sometimes actually check it out. The native swaps can do well. Fever for the Flavor saying sniper bots are awesome. I used to do that beginning of the last year. Yeah, sniper bots can also mess you up though. It's like trading in general, isn't it? You can use a sniper bot and then you get dumped on anyway. So Fever for the Flavor, let me know what sniper bot you were using. Maybe we make some content on that. And Fever for the Flavor, you've got a good podcast set up at home. You're coming on stream very soon, my man. I'm going to get you on stream. Maybe we'll do a sniper bot stream. That would be good fun. But I think that's all I have time for now, guys. Let's check on the stream on here. Let's see if we're in a slight loss there. I'll put a stop loss on, but I'll let it ride. We'll see how it goes. But guys, thank you so much for showing up today. I will be going live tomorrow as well. We're going live with Dave Gersh from Meth also this week. And Friday, I've got a very special guest. We're going to be doing a special show on Friday. But guys, come catch us in the CSC Plus Discord. Make sure to slap a like on this video. If you don't slap a like on it, I'll come and slap your nan. Make sure to turn channel notifications on and subscribe. Share to a friend, share to a group. Come in the Discord, guys. We've got so much alpha, so many chads in there. Big trades going on. You can't afford to miss it, guys. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Woo, let's go.